This is a full body strength training workout. After the warm-up exercises, I'll be using 2 sets of dumbbells, a lighter set of 4-pound dumbbells and then a little heavier set of 8-pound dumbbells. Use what's right for you. Use what you have at home. You can use the same dumbbells throughout the whole workout. We finish with cool down moves and stretches. I'm Sandra. I design workouts for over age 50 based on my background in rehabilitation and my work as a personal trainer. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get going. We've got the dumbbells off to the side, starting with our warm-up exercises. Core engaged, nice tall spine. Lift one heel and lower, lift the other heel and lower. Arms out to a T with palms down. We're going to cross and open the arms. Keep going with your heel lifts. You can alternate which arm comes on top. Four, 3, 2, 1. Fists in front of your chest. As we tap one foot out to the side, same side arm opens up. Other side. So throughout the workout, go at the pace that works for you. And we never work through any pain, so if anything is not working for you, feel free to make a modification and take a break, grab a sip of water anytime. Glad you're here doing this with me. Keep coming back to that scoop of the lower abdominals, engage the core, lift the chest. 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do an easy squat, hips move back, little bend in the knees, reach the arms forward as we straighten the legs, arms to the ceiling, circle out to the side. Again, squat and reach, straighten up to the ceiling, circle the arms. Getting the body warmed up, ready for a fantastic workout. Two more of these. Feet a little wider than hip width. Hamstring curls, just bend the knee. Lift your foot behind, arms alongside the body. We'll do 4 pushes back in this position and then arms to T for 4 pullbacks. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms back. 2, 1. Palms forward. 2, 1 for 4 and 4. Keep it going. Main thing is you're moving your body. Think about the upper back activated. One more round, each arm position. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's finish our warm-up with a march on the spot. Core, chest, standing tall. Keep marching, elbows bent, palms facing down. We'll do some wrist circles, just getting ready to hold on to our dumbbells. Change direction with your wrist circles. And then we'll pick up our lighter set of dumbbells. If you have 2 sets, go ahead and pick up your dumbbells. Getting set up, I'm going to bring my left foot back into a lunge position. So back heel is lifted. Left arm, we're going to bring the elbow up, extend back, bend the elbow, and lower. Pull up for row, triceps extension, bend, and lower. Keep going the same side. So legs are working to hold the position, and this left arm is working. You can always get close to a support and have a hand on a support for additional balance. One more round. And step forward. And we'll get it set up for the other side. So now I'm bringing my right foot back, coming into that lunge position. And you decide how much you're bending into knees, other hand at hip. Hinging forward slightly, pull the elbow up, extend, bend, and lower. Row, triceps, bend, lower. We're working the shoulders, upper back, working those tricep muscles, back of the upper arm. Breathing throughout. Two more rounds. Last one here. Just having that little break in between moves. Next move, we're going to plant the feet about hip width, soft bend in the knees, hinge forward at the hips, arms reaching down, palms in. Little bit of a bend in the elbows. Bring the arms out to the side, back to down to the floor, and then one arm forward, one arm back. So it's fly out to the side, and then forward and back. Just alternating which arm comes forward. And we're staying in control of the move the whole time. And one more fly out to the side and stand up tall. Could roll the shoulders back and down. And then we're going to have feet wide, toes pointing out. Coming down into plie squat, tuck the elbows in, keep the palms facing up, elbows tucked in. One arm out to the side, back to center, other arm out to the side and center, and then both. So it's a single, single, double. We're holding down the whole time, isometric, strength for the legs, and working the back of the shoulders, external shoulder rotation, single, single, double. We'll fit one more of each. And straighten the legs. We'll put these lighter dumbbells down, and if you have a set of heavier dumbbells, go to those, or continue with what you have. So always using what you have, use what's right for you. Feet are about hip distance. We are going to do one squat and then straighten one hammer curl. So both elbows bend with control, extend and squat, straighten, curl. So squat is like we're sitting down, keeping the knees over top of your ankles and feet so knees don't come to midline. And we keep the chest lifted, eyes forward the whole time. Last curl. Arms are going to stay down alongside the body. We'll be alternating a heel lift and then a lunge back. So I'll stand sideways so you can see the moves. Arms down alongside the body, both heels lift and lower. Step 1 foot back, lunge. Forward, heels, other side, lunge. Heels, lunge. You decide how far back you're stepping, how far down you're coming in your lunge. To help with balance, find a spot to focus on. Strengthening the legs. And we'll go one more heel lift. Next exercise, really great functional exercise. We're doing deadlifts. So feet are planted about hip width. We have a soft bend in our knees and palms are facing back. Hinge at the hips, keeping back neutral. Lower down, lower until you feel a bit of a stretch to the back of the legs, to the hamstring muscles, and then lift up with control. And lower. And lift. We're not rounding the spine. Just until you feel that gentle stretch, hamstring muscles, back of the thigh. We'll go one more. And we'll put the dumbbells down just for a moment. We'll have a water break, and then we're gonna pick up one of our dumbbells, and I'm gonna go with one of my heavier. So let's take a little water break. And reminder, it helps me out a lot, helps my channel out when you interact with the video. Hit like, leave me a comment, subscribe, and if you know somebody else who would enjoy this, hit the share button, share with a friend. I'm just so glad you're here doing this with me, so we can put our water or our electrolyte drink down, and we're gonna grab one dumbbell. We have 2 more dumbbell exercises and then we'll go into our cool down. I'm gonna hold the dumbbell in 2 hands in front of my chest, and then we'll go back to that feet wide position, toes pointing out. We come down to plie squat, so knees track out towards the feet, and then straighten, and then just bend into one knee, a little lunge to that side and straighten. Both knees, and then the other side. Dumbbell adding a little extra resistance. We'll finish with one more squat down and straighten. Bring your dumbbell down. Shake things out. And we're going to bring that dumbbell again back in front of the chest. Standing tall, core engaged. Toe out to the side, 2 leg lifts. Straight out to the side. And then we switch legs, 2 leg lifts. 2, 1, 2, 1. Bringing that leg straight out to the side. Upper body nice and upright. Let's do one more each side. And dumbbell comes down. We can put the dumbbell off to the side. Into our cool down. Let's start with some inhale, exhale arms. Inhale, arms to the ceiling. And as we exhale, we can come down into a little squat if you'd like, a little mini squat, and just let those arms come down and cross. One more like this. And then standing tall, reach both arms to the ceiling. Bend your elbows, let your hands come behind your head or to your upper back. Maybe your fingertips just touch your upper back. Stretch out those tricep muscles. And then reach the arms out to T, palms forward. Take a moment to expand across the chest. Cross your arms into a hug, touch your shoulders. Open the arms again. Other arm on top. And release your arms. Hamstring stretch. Again, you could have one hand on a support, hands on hips. And then heel forward, one leg heel forward, toe lifted, hinge the hips back. Just pause here, keep that toe lifted, gentle stretch back of the leg. One more breath. Lifting up and switch sides. Another inhale, exhale, lift up. Keep your hands on your hips. We'll do some hip circles. Hips over to one side, circle forward, over to the other side, circle back. Just moving nice and slow, releasing any tension. Whenever you feel ready, you can change direction with your hip circles. One more circle. And place the palms together and then lower the hands so we have a nice stretch to the forearms into the wrists. And then we'll stagger our feet. Just bring one foot back. Toes are pointing forward and a little bend in your forward knee. Feel a bit of a stretch or a nice gentle stretch into the back calf muscle. Push the heel down. And you can keep your hands in this position and just switch the feet. Have that little bend in the forward knee. Push the back heel down. Coming back to your full inhales and exhales. And release. Bring one arm across the body and just hold your arm either above or below your elbow. Switch sides. Release. Shoulder rolls up, back and down. Keep those shoulders back and down. 3 big breaths. Inhale, exhale, 2 more. Fantastic. Thank you so much for being here. And if you're looking for another workout, another video, I'll have a couple linked here. Have an amazing day. See you next time.